Hey guys, today we're gonna be making slime. So first we're gonna have some glue here, also some detergent because we don't really have products like stuff like that. Also water, and then some dishwashing for our slime and this lipstick because we don't really have any food coloring. So yeah, and we also have gel so we can make our slime scratchy and so to be soft. And this one is lotion to be soft too. And that's all we have. I guess. I already say that. So let's make our slime. So I'm gonna put out this glue here. Here's yours. Don't put it there. And I'm gonna make my slime like baby pink. So yeah, I'm adding my glue now, and Haya is adding her glue. So yeah. And then I'm so excited to activate my slime. So I'm just excited. It's like so white. Look at it. Tomorrow, I think we're gonna make slime tomorrow.
Slime.
I wanna have clear slime. I'm gonna buy clear glue. Okay. So yeah, I think that's all my glue. Now it's time to add my water. Just a tiny bit. That's good. You can't really see it because it's clear. So let's mix it. Okay, I feel like I am cooking. Wow. Now, what are you gonna add? I'm gonna add my jar, which is sticky, the leaf. I forgot what it's called. Lead, yeah. I know. That's how I add it, and then it's your turn. So, I'm gonna mix it in. It's gonna be turning yellow. Wow.
Yellow.
But I don't really like yellow things, so yeah. And then wait, can I need scissors? I'm gonna get scissors. So I'm gonna add all the gel in so I can make my stuff stretchy and soft. Gonna make a hole. Okay, and another hole, and here's your scissors. Wait, it's bubbling! Yay! That means it's getting soft when I activate it. Ooh, so smooth. My foot are itchy, so. Wait, I'm gonna put my spoon in that part so I won't put anything in my spoon. Any gel? Maybe the gel is gonna make our slime blue, but we still have this. Ooh, yeah. And my hands are getting so sticky. Of course. There we go. Oh wait, I still need to add this one. it's time to activate it. Like so watery. Nah, it's fine. That's how I make slime always. So, oh, there's white glue in my spoon. Who cares? Oopsies. Ugh. Close that up, and then we mix it. Oh wow, look at it. It's turning into slime. Yeah, so it's time. We're gonna add a tiny bit of activator because it's not really that activator. So there. Yeah, maybe this is the last activator that I need. No, I don't. I still need a lot. Sure. Oh no, we're not gonna have a lot of activator. Look at my slime, guys. But I wanna add this. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, our activator almost filled all over the table. It's hard to take the activator off of the table. It's because it's so sticky. And look at my slime. Woohoo! Oh wait, it's like clear. Whoa. I wish it's clear. What? Oh. Oh, wag mo hawakan. It's still sticky. Mine is so sticky still, so yeah. Now I'm gonna go with my hands. Not yet. What? Ikaw na lang! Oh, now we are almost gonna end the video because it's kinda getting long, and this is just our second time vlogging, so yeah. I think I wanna add more and more activator. It's like so sticky. Okay. Now it's almost there, guys. Yes! Look at it. It's turning into slime. And it's forming scratchy too. Oh, here's slime. It's kind of tiny. Wala na. Mamaya ka na naglalagay pa. See? It's so scratchy. Oh, it's ripping. Sorry. But yeah. And I'm gonna get some more slime here. She is getting tired because she is just first old and she is getting hard. After I make my slime, okay?